Hey traders, happy holiday to everyone. This is the video that I'm gonna do today, guys. I want everyone to be educated on trading forex during the holiday. It's the worst time to trade, guys. I'm gonna show you why it's very important for you to for you guys not to trade during the holiday. So I'm gonna bring this holiday schedule that is gonna help you, to be honest. It's gonna help you to understand why the market is doing what it's doing. It's very important, to be honest. So hopefully this video helps to anyone that is planning to trade during the holiday. I don't want any of you guys to be blowing your account. It's very important, to be honest. Very important. Pay close attention to this one. This is the holiday trading hours. That is not recommended, however, to trade during the holidays. We're gonna start with the coming week, right? To the 22nd, right? The 22nd here is Friday, right? It tells you the market is closing at 3 p.m. The UK, the GBP is closing at 7:50. Everything is closing early. Bottom line, look at on Monday, guys. Monday the 25th is gonna be close. So everybody is closing their market. So pay close attention, because this, guys, a lot of traders are gonna be telling you, hey, buy my signal, hey, you should do this, hey, you should be trading. No, bottom line here, I like to be honest, guys, because once you are honest, then you know what you're doing, right? So do not trade on the Monday, pure bottom line. Look at on Tuesday, guys. Everything is open late. Everything is open extremely late. Some of the German, look at there, is closed. European is closed. The GBP is closed. Market is gonna be dead, guys. Look at on the Friday, the 29th. So same thing, everything is closing early, so the market will be acting very slow. On Monday, look at what happened on Monday. Everything is usually closed because everybody's enjoying the new year. Okay, on Tuesday the market is gonna resume back to business, but that's gonna be on January 2nd. So that's when all the traders, all the investors are gonna coming back to the market to invest money on the market. Okay, so I don't want any of you guys to be trading on non-holiday trading hours, because to be honest, it's not gonna make you any money, guys. If it make you money, it's just gonna make few cents, but market is gonna stay where it is. So I will not make any further video until Tuesday the 5th, okay, of 2024, because there's nothing to give you a setup. Okay, so hopefully this video help you guys. So if you are finding this video valuable, guys, make sure you do subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will see you guys back on our next episode. Okay, so take care, guys, and I'll see you on next week. Bye bye. See you. Hasta la vista, baby. Boom. Team Urban, baby.